Hello, welcome to Made with Love by Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the puff stitch. So to make the puff stitch, you need a base stitch of odd numbers. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 stitches here. I'm going to chain 3 and turn. The puff stitch is the same height as a DC. So the chain 3 is going to be our first DC. We're going to make another chain, so a total of 4 chains. So this is going to be our DC plus chain 1. Yarn over. We're going to skip the very first stitch because the chain 3 replaces the first stitch, and we will also skip the second stitch. Now going into the third stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull it up so that it's the same height as a DC. Yarn over and pull up another loop. So we're going to do this for a total of 5 times. So we will yarn over and pull up a loop 5 times. I've already done it twice. So this is the third time. 4 and 5. So we will be having a total of 11 loops on the hook right now. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 11 loops. And then make a chain 1. So this chain 1 is part of the puff stitch and it locks it in place. So we're going to make another puff stitch. We're going to skip 1 stitch and go into the next DC. So I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now yarn over and pull through all 11 loops and chain 1 to lock it in place. So let me show you one last time before we stop. So I'm going to skip the next DC and make a puff stitch into the stitch after that. So yarn over and pull up a loop once, 2, 3, 4, 5 and yarn over and pull through all 11 loops and lock it in place with a chain 1. So this is how you make the puff stitch. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment and share. And let's not forget, if there is any other stitch for which you would like me to make a tutorial, leave it in the comments below. I'll do it for you. So until then, happy hooking!